Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Trax, and today I'm going to show you check your oil level. So first open the hood, and then turn the vehicle off. And then up here in the motor, this will be our dipstick that we'll pull. So you pull it all the way out, clean it off with a rag or paper towel, stick it all the way back in, and then pull it out again. And at that point, on the end here, you've got those kind of marks there to show you how full it is. So if there's barely any on here, you'll know it's low and you need to add some, but ideally you want it, where those kind of grid lines are, where the bumps are, you want it to have those full. But we'll stick this all the way back in, and let's say it is low, you would add your oil here under this cap. So make sure you've got the proper type of oil, and ideally the same conventional synthetic and brand of oil you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But to unscrew, take your funnel or straight from your quart jug and fill as needed, and try not to overfill if you can help it. But when you're done, screw this back on nice and tight, and then I would turn the motor on for like 10-20 seconds to circulate the new oil through the motor, and then turn it off. And at that point, repeat the same process we just started with this dipstick, while pulling it out, wiping it clean, sticking it back in, and then pulling it out to check the level. And then repeat as needed if you need to add more. And you shouldn't do any of this in lieu of regular oil changes, which typically you do by taking the vehicle, lifting it in some way, going underneath the oil pan, pulling the plug, draining the old oil, replacing any filters as needed, screwing it back nice and tight, and then adding all of the oil recommended for your motor here. At that point, once it's all nice and tight again, you should be able to start the car and drive as normal. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.